Hello, U.S. History class. It is Wednesday. And if you watched the video yesterday, which hopefully you did because you were supposed to, um, and I know you did, then you know that today we're reviewing and tomorrow we are going to have some mental gymnastics. We're going to do some mental cartwheels and some mental flips and test our knowledge. Now, during this time, we're going to, that's why we're going to experiment with Zoom on Friday. And we're going to see if maybe upcoming tests we can do via Zoom, those type of things where we don't have to do open book. But this one tomorrow will be open book. And I say that to let you know this, that I'm going to ask you to do something today. You don't have to do it. You don't have to turn it in. And you won't get extra credit if you send it. So you don't have to show me you did it, but it would help you if you did, because on page 590 in your book you see some important information. On page 590 is the chapter 26 review, and then you see some people, places, and things to remember. Ronald Reagan, the Reagan Revolution, Michael Dukakis, Dan Quayle, who was Bush's vice president, Potato, and Ross Perot, and on and on. And you'll see developing history skills, thinking critically, living as a Christian citizen. And the way your test will work tomorrow, normally what I'll do on test, this will be a short video, by the way, and I'm going to get a drink of water. Just yeah, that's better. The way the tests normally work is I will go through, I'll compile several questions, and I'll go through and I'll think, now, how important is that? How important is this one? How important is that? And I will whittle it down to where it's the most pertinent, most important information on a test. That's why generally there's 25, 30, 35 questions on one of your tests, because it's whittled down to the essence. This test will not be whittled down as much. The reason for that is open book. You have every bit of information that is going to be on this test in your book. So, the important thing for you to do today is review, look over the chapter, look where all the bold print words are, look over the headings of the chapters where you can find stuff easily. Be ready and be equipped for this open book test. Tomorrow there will not be a video. You will basically have instructions that say complete the test. There'll be a test attached. You'll open it. You'll complete the answers. You can do it several ways. Y'all are very creative in your ways of doing it. But get that in to me tomorrow. So please take some time to review. I know the tendency would be, well, it's not mandatory. I don't have to. I can go get on the Xbox or whatever popular is now. I don't know. I can play Candy Crush and not have to worry about it. Well, yeah, I mean, that's true, and you might do just great, but it would help you a little bit. In other words, if you take this test tomorrow and you haven't looked over and you don't know some of this kind of at least where it is in the chapter, then this test may take you 2 hours tomorrow. And you don't want that. You want to do it within what would be a normal class period. But there will be no time constraints, so you'll have all the time in the world. But review today. Listen, I miss y'all. You'll do well on the test, I know. And Friday we'll Zoom together and hopefully get to see all of your faces and hear your voices. Praying for y'all. Love y'all all. And we'll talk to you on Friday.